Hey everyone! So, what exactly are idioms? Well, idioms are phrases where the meaning isn't just the sum of the individual words. For example, if I say, it's raining cats and dogs, I don't mean literal animals are falling from the sky, right? I mean it's raining really heavily. Native speakers use idioms constantly in casual conversations, movies, and real life. Understanding them will make you sound more natural and help you comprehend native speakers better. Let's start with some common idioms about how difficult or easy something is. First up, piece of cake. This means something is very easy. For instance, the math exam was a piece of cake for Sarah because she studied so hard. Next, we have a tough row to hoe, which means something is challenging or difficult. You might hear, learning a new language is a tough row to hoe, but it's worth it. And then there's hit the books, which doesn't mean literally hitting books. It means to study hard. I need to hit the books tonight because I have a big test tomorrow. Now let's talk about idioms that describe emotions and actions. Break a leg is a famous one. It doesn't mean you should actually break your leg. It's what we say to wish someone good luck before a performance. Break a leg at your job interview tomorrow. Then there's under the weather, which means you're feeling sick or not well. I'm feeling under the weather, so I'm going to stay home and rest. Another useful one is get over it, meaning to accept something bad and move forward. My team lost the championship, but I need to get over it and focus on next season. Let's explore idioms related to doing well or messing up. Hit the jackpot means to have sudden success or good fortune. When I found that old painting at the thrift store and sold it for thousands, I really hit the jackpot. Then there's mess up, which simply means to make a mistake or do something wrong. I messed up my presentation yesterday, but my boss said I can try again next week. And ball is in your court means it's now your responsibility or turn to do something. I've done my part of the project, so the ball is in your court now. Alright, here are some golden tips for mastering idioms. First, always learn idioms with context and examples, not just the definition. Second, try to use new idioms in real conversations or writing. Practice makes perfect. Third, watch movies, TV shows, and YouTube videos to hear how native speakers actually use idioms naturally. Fourth, keep an idiom notebook and review it regularly. And finally, don't be afraid to make mistakes when using them. Native speakers will understand you anyway. Remember, idioms take time to master, but the more you practice, the more natural your English will sound. Now it's your turn. Try using one of these idioms in a sentence in the comments below. I'd love to see your examples.